What does a New York State court officer actually do? Most people picture someone standing by a metal detector. The court system's own job description says something quite different, and it is 4 sentences long, so let me just go through them. Here it is. Court officers are peace officers who are required to wear uniforms and carry firearms. They are charged with providing law enforcement, security services, and maintaining order within court facilities statewide. And court officers also execute bench warrants and make arrests. That last sentence is the one people miss. This is a job with arrest powers, not a watching job. So, is that a police officer? No, and the distinction matters. A court officer is a peace officer under New York law. That is a real sworn role with arrest powers, and, when authorized, a firearm. But the appointing authority, the jurisdiction, and the career ladder are all different from a police officer's. What it definitely is not is a security guard with a badge. If you want to know what a job really involves, look at what they train you in. 4 months of paid academy, New York penal law and criminal procedure law, firearms, physical training and defensive tactics, arrest procedures and prisoner escort, baton and pepper spray, counterterrorism and bomb detection, critical incident management and evacuation, defensive driving, basic life support. That is not a security orientation. That is a law enforcement academy. What it pays. A court officer trainee starts at $58,100, plus location pay depending on the county and annual allowances. Downstate, that is about $65,000 for FIAM in year 1. After the 2-year traineeship, a full court officer starts at $68,593, plus state health insurance and a state pension, which for a lot of people is the real reason to take this job. Who can actually be appointed? You need to be at least 20 and a half, a U.S. citizen, a New York State resident, hold a high school diploma or equivalent, have a valid New York driver's license, and be legally eligible to carry a firearm. Important detail. Those are the requirements for appointment, not for taking the test. You can sit the exam before you meet all of them. And that is the job. Getting it works one way. You pass the court officer trainee exam. You go on a statewide list ranked by your score, and appointments come off that list in strict rank order. So the score is not a hurdle you clear. It is your place in the queue. Free practice for all 5 sections is at dutyrank.com. DutyRank is an independent study product and is not affiliated with the New York State Unified Court System.